Getting too many alerts and wondering who sent what? In this quick Android tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off notification history in just a few simple steps. It's fast, easy and help keep your notification more private. Let's get started and clean up your phone settings without wasting any time. First thing first, open the settings app on your phone. Don't find it, don't panic. Use the search bar in the app menu bar. Here you can just type settings. After appear the app, tap on it to open the settings menu. Once you are in settings, scroll down a little, find the notification option, tap to open it. In the menu, scroll down again, find the advanced settings option, tap on it. Within the advanced settings menu, look for the top menu bar. Here, find the notification history option. Click to open them. Right now, this option my phone is turned on. If your phone may be turned on, so to turn it off, simply tap on the toggle at the top. After that, confirm by tapping turn off again. That's it. Notification history is now turned off. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe for more Android tips, and I'll see you in the next helpful tutorial. Take care.